Hello, my name is Amal Adil. I'm class from 6th grade. This is my solar system. Solar system is miracle up of the sun and everything that move around it. This include planet, moon, asteroid and comets. Thank you.
My name is Manahil, and first of all, I would like to. I'm very grateful for my principal for giving us this opportunity. That today I have made this model of about rocket system. So basically, a rocket system is consists of three components, which are this one is the car shuttle, this one is the fuel tank, and a fuel tank provides fuel to the shuttle. These both are rockets, and they are used to deploy the rocket outside the Earth's atmosphere. Once it reaches to the outside the Earth's atmosphere, these two rockets will be removed from the main body. So now I'm going to tell you some fun facts. Do you know that 90% of rocket mass is just fuel? In addition, do you know the max speed of the latest rocket is 700,000 km per hour? And moreover, do you know that the latest rocket just needs 8.5 minutes to go out of the Earth's atmosphere? That's it. Now Maha will share further more fun facts.
Hello, my name is Maha Mahmood. I am going to tell furthermore about the rocket system. The first man to travel into space was Yuri Gagarin in 1961 by Soviet Union. The first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong in 1969. 3,84,400 km distance from Earth to moon. That's it. Thank you for giving this.
جو مٹیریل ہے یہ ہمیں یہاں عام اویلیبل نہیں ہوتا ہے کیونکہ وہ ان آرگینک ہوتا ہے. ہم نے اس میں آرگینک مٹیریل یوز کیا, وہ بھی ڈفرینٹ جگہوں سے ہم نے انہیں اکٹھا کیا, اور یہ فرسٹ ٹائم ہوا تھا. سیکنڈ ٹائم جو ہے یہ نہیں ہوا, لیکن انشاءاللہ یہ ہوگا, اور یہ ٹائم کنزیومنگ ہے اسی لیے ہم تھوڑا ٹائم لگ گیا.
فرسٹ ٹائم جو ہم نے کیا تھا اس میں ہم نے ایکچولی اسمال اماؤنٹ یوز کی تھی, جس کی وجہ سے وہ تھوڑا سا اڑا تھا. تو ہم نے زیادہ اماؤنٹ اس لیے یوز کی, ہمیں لگا زیادہ اڑنا چاہیے تو ہم نے زیادہ اماؤنٹ یوز کی, جس کی وجہ سے اس کا ویٹ زیادہ ہو گیا. تو انشاءاللہ نیکسٹ ٹائم یہ اڑے گا.
Space exploration model presented by Harim Zara and my friend. Our model shows space exploration. It shows how we explore space using a satellite, a rocket, a rover, and an astronaut holding our national flag.
Its satellite, orbit and send signals. Rocket, used to launch into the space. Its astronaut represent human space travel and national pride. Its rover, it explores the planet's surface.
What we learn from this? Teamwork in building a model, how space missions work, and in the most important part, importance of technology and science in space.
Thank you.
Jaja Fatma, I'm from class 10 Pink. Today I made a model which is rocket and satellites. As for the rocket, we apply in which we apply Newton's third law of motion, which is every action has an opposite but equal reaction, like this. When we push this syringe, this is action, and the rocket moving upwards is reaction. Rocket which was launched on 1926 was by Robert H. Thank you. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. From grade 6 today, I am here to present and show the model of Sun, Moon and Earth rotation. The Earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours, which makes day and night. It also goes around the Sun in 1 year. The moon goes around the Sun. The moon moves around the Sun in a month. When the Sun, Moon, and Earth come in straight line, eclipse happen. What is eclipse? Eclipse is the blockage of the light from the Sun because of Moon. This model shows how the Sun, Moon, and Earth moves together in space. Thank you.
Myself, Arfa, and from grade 6th grade. Today I am very excited to talk to you about our solar system. Solar system is our cosmetic home with the sun at its center. 8 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune around the sun. First of all, I will tell you sun. Sun is the big ball of hot gases with the helium and hydrogen. It is the star at its center around the sun. Thank you.
In my group, this is our rocket.
Rocket. A rocket is a special vertical that is used to travel into the space.
A vertical that uses propulsion to escape Earth gravity and travel through space, typically through the implementation of heat gases to travel through the space. Thank you.
Alaikum, I am Umama and she's Abida. Here is a project which is about colonization on Mars. Here there are some systems which show how life will be possible in Mars. There is a residence which contains machines and some astronaut stuff inside here. It is a lab with some machinery stuff, and there is a greenhouse which is for production of plants here and to protect them from harsh environments. And these are solar panels which convert sunlight into electricity. And this is windmill which converts the dust storms and energy. And here it works like when it moves like that, it is a radar system which is the source of communication between the Mars and the space stations in Earth. And this whole shows how life will be possible in Mars. Thank you.
Alaikum. It's me, Samra Hamid, here to present my model on the topic Habitants of Space. I have made that my model represents the reality of the space. It portrays Earth, Moon, Sun. It portrays Earth, Moon, and Sun, and the galaxies, gases, clouds, and this all thing. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here to present about solar system. You all know that planets have to revolve around the sun. The first planet that revolves around the sun is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet around the sun and the smallest planet. Second is the Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. Third is Earth, where we live. Fourth is Mars. And fifth is Jupiter. And sixth is Saturn. And seventh is Uranus. And eighth is Neptune.
तरबियत और उनकी पर्सनैलिटी ग्रूमिंग पे भी पूरी तरह फोकस किया जाता है। इस सिलसिले में स्पेस स्पार्को के अंडर एक स्पेस वीक का इनेकाद किया जा रहा है और आज उसकी एक इंक्लूडिंग सेरेमनी थी जिसमें हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने मुख्तलिफ स्किट्स के थ्रू, टैबलोज़ और स्केचिंग और मॉडल्स के थ्रू स्पेस की अवेयरनेस को हाईलाइट किया और अपने दूसरे साथी तलबा को अवेयर किया और उनका अंदर मज़ीद इंटरेस्ट को क्रिएट किया कि हम मज़ीद साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में और स्पेस के बारे में जानें और अपने नॉलेज को बढ़ाएं। और इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ से ना सिर्फ बच्चों की साइंस और एजुकेशन इम्प्रूव होती है बल्कि बच्चों के अंदर जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर और क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज़ के अंदर अपना परफॉर्म करने की सलाहियत है वो भी उजागर होती है। तो हमारे अदारे का हमेशा से यही मकसद रहा है कि हम बच्चों की ना सिर्फ तालीमी सरगर्मियों में तरबियत करें बल्कि उसके साथ साथ गैर निसाबी और उनकी ज़हनी नशोनुमा पे भी भरपूर फोकस करें। तो आप लोग ने अभी देखा कि जिस तरह हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने परफॉर्म किया, होपफुली आपको भी पसंद आया होगा और वी अप्रिशिएट इस मौके पे हमें बिल्कुल अपने असातिज़ा और जितने भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ है उनके रोल को भी नज़रअंदाज नहीं करना, बिकॉज़ उनकी एफ़र्ट्स हैं कि ये बच्चे आज इस लेवल पे हैं कि अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहे हैं और अपने क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी को भी प्रेजेंट कर पा रहे हैं। तो वेरी वेल डन। और इस पे मैं अपने असातिज़ा और तलबा को भरपूर दाद देता हूँ और उनको अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ जिस तरह से उन्होंने आज अपना जो नॉलेज और अपनी जो क्रिएटिविटी हो उसको एक्सप्रेस किया है। थैंक यू।